Hi everybody. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to make an easy ballerina on Scratch. It's like a ballerina performance. So I'll just show you like a thing I made, and this is what we're gonna make, and it's super easy. So it's like a ballerina dancing with the classical piano music and a crowd cheering. So this is the code. So let me let me go to Scratch. And then now click on, you can delete the cat sprite. And then right here it'll say like this cat sign and a plus. And if you click on that, you'll have this. And then this is the ballerina, but you can also search it up. If you do BA, it'll come up. So this is our ballerina we have right over here. And then now we will add a backdrop, like a background, and then I did a theater right over here, and now let's get started with the code. So you want it to happen when we click the green flag. So I have green flag, so it's on events. It's on the events section. And then when you want it, so like you don't want her to be doing a dance ballerina position when you click the right flag, because at the end we have it back to normal, but you don't want a dance position, right? So we want, in looks, you'll get switch costume to ballerina A, and you put switch costume to ballerina A. And then now we want to start the sound of the classical piano I added. So if you go to sounds right here, you have like the sound adding button. And you click on that. I did classical piano right over here. And then you can see the classical piano thing. And then we can delete the pop. We don't need the pop. And then when we go to code, it'll automatically show up. In code, you need to go to sound, and then it'll say start sound classical piano. And we click on start sound classical piano, and next we have switch costume to costume B, switch costume to ballerina B. So let's change that to B, bring right up here. And now we want it to wait, because we don't want it to change really fast, because if we don't wait, then it'll just go super fast that we won't even see it changing, and we don't want that, right? So take this wait button, and then we're going to change the wait to about 0.5 seconds. 0.5 seconds, that's just like a half a second, so it's actually pretty good. And now we need to do ballerina C. Okay, look, switch costume to, ballerina C. Right over here. And then let's wait 0.5 seconds. Okay. 0.5 seconds. And then switch costume to D. D. I'm almost halfway done, so this is really easy to make. And then D, and we need to put that in a repeat loop because we don't want it to happen just one time. We want it to happen multiple times, right? So let's take a repeat loop, and 10, I feel like, in my opinion, 10 is too long, so let's just do 5, like I did on this. And then when it ends, like when they're clapping, she'll just be in a ballerina position, so you don't want that. You want her in her normal position again. So if you go to looks, you'll get ballerina A. And then we put that right here. And then now you want everybody go like, wow, that's really great. And like, so you want a crowd cheer. So when you go to sounds, click on add a sound. Don't delete the classical piano. Click on add a sound and do cheer. Here. This is the cheer sound. And sound, play sound, cheer, until done. Okay, that's good. And then, now let's hear it. Let's look at it. Now this is the project. So, and this was really easy. So before one thing, let's just name it ballerina classical. You can name it anything you want. I just will do ballerina classical. And if you want people to see it, then you can click on share right here. But click on this. Click on save now if you want to save the project, and click on that. And then it'll say ballerina classical, and then click on it, and then you could click on share. Then you could tell people how to use it, and notes and credits. How did you make this project? Did you use ideas? You can do it, and then luckily people will see it. So that's our project that we did. So if you had fun, you can put the thumbs up button and click the bell for notifications about videos, and you can subscribe. So bye, see you in the next video.